Are you looking for a supplier who understands engineering and not just forging? Imagine stress-free launches, lines that runs and nights without the 2 a.m. calls. Would you like to learn a simple way to differentiate between a low-code vendor from a partner who designs reliability into the part? I am Rahul Agarwal, founder and director of Precitech Forgings and Engineering Private Limited. I work with forged and machine components every day. I know you are juggling purchase price variance and order to delivery zero defects. A drawing lands on your table and the clock starts. The price pressure kicks in. When you pick the wrong supplier, you do not just buy parts, you are buying risk. Your line stops, you pay premium freight, and your reputation takes a hit. The trap is that we compare prices and press sizes with while the real risk hide in the details no one asks about. Here is the truth. The cheapest part price often becomes the costliest total cost. Why? Because 80% of quality and delivery are logged in during early conversations and not on the press floor. A forging is not a commodity, it is an engineering decision about grain flow, fillets, stock, and heat treatment control. The real audit is not the size of the hammer, it is the quality of the thinking. Can you restate your load path? Can they show cause and effect evidence? Basic simulations, realistic control plans, destructive test data, and a clear preservation plan. When you do audit thinking, you buy predictability. When you audit machines, you buy only hope. Try this quick check in your next RFQ. 5 minutes per topic. End use mapping. Have them explain the load path and critical features. Stock flowchart. Align preform versus finished part and per surface machining stock. Grain flow and geometry. Confirm parting line, fillets and flow orientation. Heat treatment window. Document furnace temperatures, soak time, quench time and tempering ranges. Rhythm. Fix APQP gates. Sample criteria preservations and escalation paths. Do not just buy metal, buy engineering. In your next supplier review, ask, are you providing control or promising capacity? Can you share one silent risk you have seen in forging supplies? Your lesson could save someone a shutdown. Thank you and see you in my next video.